This video is a step-by-step walkthrough for setting up the Lightspeed Voice integration with Applied Epic. We'll cover how to connect to your accounts, configure permissions, and unlock powerful features like automatic call logging, smart summaries, and sentiment analysis, all in one streamlined workflow.
Start by logging into Lightspeed Voice in your browser. Go to Management, then Lead Settings, and open Integrations. Click the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new integration. Name it Applied Epic and select it as the vendor. In the My Authentication box, click Authenticate. You'll need an API Suite license from Applied Epic. If you don't already have one, reach out to your Applied Epic sales representative. Once your license is active, or while waiting for it, you can still enter your credentials to start setup. Fill in your enterprise ID, client ID, database name, and optionally, your domain. Then click Submit. A Lightspeed Voice team member will handle the next steps on your behalf. After Applied approves your connection, your account authentication will show as authenticated. Once your account is authenticated, your users will appear in the Users section. Assign a user and enter their lookup code. The easiest way to find it is by opening Activities in Applied Epic, starting a new activity, and using the Owner Name dropdown. The user's lookup code appears beside their name. If you're an admin, you can also find this code by going to Locate Account, selecting Employee, and Locate By, selecting Account or Business Name if needed. From there, you can search the employee's name. Before the verification email can be sent, make sure the user's Email 1 field is filled out in their employee profile in Applied Epic. This field is required for verification, but it's optional by default in Applied Epic. Since access to the employee profile is typically limited to admins, have an Applied Epic admin confirm this field is set before continuing. Once that's done, the verification email will be sent to that Email 1 address. It contains a one-time login code. Enter that code back in the Lightspeed Voice dashboard to complete verification. Once both account authentication and user authentication show as authenticated, your integration is live. You'll see the confirmation in the My Authentication box. This setup enforces structure access inside Applied Epic. Only employees with matching agency and branch codes for a customer will be able to view that client's data. This control is managed through the Account Detail Employee screen in Applied Epic. If you're using Nova AI, now's the time to enable smart triggers. They'll automatically sync call summaries and sentiment analysis directly into Applied Epic, giving your team instant insights with zero extra effort. If a user gains access to a new branch or agency, click Refresh Structure Access to update permissions instantly. Lightspeed also refreshes access automatically every 8 hours, but this option updates it right away. This is the Lightspeed Voice dashboard you'll see when first logging in. It includes a built-in soft phone, which also comes within the Orbit desktop application. Once you're in a call, you'll notice a new Applied Epic icon next to your in-call features. Click the icon to expand the window. And if your caller's number exists in your Applied Epic database, their contact details appear instantly. This real-time connection gives you direct access to sync call data, no screen switching required. It works beyond the soft phone too. If you answer from a desk phone or the Lightspeed Voice mobile app, the integration still runs. You'll see a pop-up in your dashboard showing if a match was found in Applied Epic, along with a button to view call details or take action. At the top, you'll see the contact's name. Click it and you're taken straight to their profile in Applied Epic. During or after the call, you can log or update the activity with just a few clicks. By default, it saves as a new activity. But if it's part of an ongoing conversation, choose Existing Activity and select the right record. You can attach the entry to an account or policy, pick an activity code, assign an owner, and set a follow-up date. The activity description autofills with details like call direction, extension, and username, saving time and reducing manual input. Scroll down to the Notes section, which captures the call summary. If the call is still active, some data may still be processing, but it will appear once completed. You can adjust the access level, add more notes, and click Save. Under Who to Contact, caller info is pre-filled from Applied Epic, but you can update it anytime. Once everything looks good, click Save to log the call. If you've enabled Insert on Hangup, the data pushes automatically to Applied Epic once the call ends. Now that we've wrapped up a call, let's check out the Applied Epic Call Log, your central hub for managing and reviewing calls. Click the Applied Epic button in the bottom left to open it. At the top, you can filter by user, date range, or call status, like sent, in progress, incomplete, withheld, or failed. Calls marked sent have already been pushed to Applied Epic, either automatically or via save and send, so they're locked and ready for reference. Incomplete calls are drafts you've saved for later. Click Edit to open one. You'll see the same menu as before, now with call details like duration and a link to the recording. If you're using Nova AI, you'll also see sentiment and a smart summary, highlighting key takeaways at a glance. Once done, click Save and Send to push the update to Applied Epic. Then, in Applied Epic, check your contacts activities. And there's your synced call, complete with every note and detail captured during the interaction.
It's all about streamlining communication and making it easy to keep track of customer relationships. That's the power of integration, and that's Lightspeed Voice. If you'd like to learn more about how this integration can work for your team, just give us a call at 877-97-VOICE or send us an email at info@lightspeedvoice.com. Thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice, where we're more than just talk.